Hi guys, so I just recently got the Samsung S20 and I found that I had a great discount on it and I ended up paying $700, $719.99, which is a lot. Okay, so how I went about doing this was I found out if you use either a military discount or a student discount, which will be by using your email, it could turn out being way less, which is what I did. And I'm gonna try to like attach the screenshot of how much I got. And the three discounts were the bundle discount, promotional discounts, and the employee discounts. So the employee discount was like $80 and the promotional discount was like $200. So when you go towards the cart, they have like different add-on features, which one of them is like YouTube videos and the other one I can't really remember. And they also have an add-on of $200, or you could do Samsung finance, which is like you finance the phone for like 12 months and then you return it and then you just get the latest models that they have. I was debating on which one I want, but I turned out getting the $200, which is why the total was so low. So I feel like everybody should try this out. I don't know if it's going to work for everyone, and I'm not sure if it's going to expire because I did this the 20th, so that's like a week and something ago. So you guys could try that and see what happens. Remember, it's like military or using a student email. Like if you go to a CUNY school, I use my Hunter email and that's how I end up getting that. But if you already have an email in the system, you're gonna have to like create a whole new profile for it to work, because obviously it's not going to work with two different profiles, so you have to create a whole new one. And I think they also have for essential workers, but I don't know how that one works. I just know about the student and the military, and with a military discount they give you at least 30% off, so that's really good. So if you have any more questions, anything, comments, and I'm gonna try my best to answer it. But also a good feature that I found is that there's this new feature where you like wave your palm and the phone would like detect it, and that way it would like take a picture. It only works like in selfie mode. I find that very like a really cool, especially people who like taking selfies, and sometimes it's like hard to like set the timer and then stand in position and wait for the timer to go off. So whenever you're ready, just like wave your hand. So yeah, I'm gonna try to upload the unboxing of the phone in this video. Hopefully that works out. So other than that, stay safe and stay blessed. Bye bye. So this is the unboxing of the Samsung S20. This is the box that it comes in. I already like take it out to make it easier. So let's see what's inside. Okay, as you open the box, the phone is right here. So we're just like sitting on top. So let's see what's inside. Here you have a charger, and also have, this is the other side of the charger, of course. And here you have these headphones, these AKG headphones. Let me tell you, these headphones are the best, especially with me. I have like small ears, so it's like hard for headphones to like fit in it. And this one is way different than the one that it came with. Well, I have the S8 now, because you see right here it has this part. And my old S8, which is this one, this was not original charger that came with it, but it has this on it. Okay, so this is the phone itself. As you could see, it only has one port compared to the other phones that I think has two ports, one for the charging and one for the earphones. So this is saying that if you can't listen to charge your phone at the same time. So let's power it up and see. Okay, so as soon as you turn on the phone, this is what happens, and it talks. Guess that's something new. One thing I didn't notice is this didn't have any instructions, so I guess that's something new. So let's go.
Let's look at the terms and conditions. Once you read and agree to these, we can really get going. Wi-Fi would be quite handy here.
Okay, I'm gonna put in my Wi-Fi information now.